A Fox 16 News update now. It's common to hear of drug busts across the state. Officers finding a few grams of meth or opiates stashed away, but this latest case in White County found more than just a few grams.
Yeah, more like pounds worth millions of dollars. Our Katrin Asaf in Searcy now with what led to the discovery and how this points to a larger issue. Katrin.
Well, Kevin, Donna, really it was just one deputy doing his job, patrolling Highway 67 when a lane change violation caused him to make a routine traffic stop. But there wasn't anything routine about what happened next. Tuesday, just north of Searcy, a White County deputy pulls over a car. Everything seems normal, but something caught his eye.
He has a lot of things that he looks for to pick up on people who may be trafficking.
Lieutenant Scott Siders has heard the report that talked about how the unnamed deputy asked Javier Rodella and Alejandro Flores to search the car, finding enough narcotics to warrant an arrest and a further look inside. What they found was staggering.
A greater amount, in fact, a very large amount of narcotics was found secreted around the vehicle.
Bags of narcotics inside the frame of the car. More revealed with every search.
62 pounds of methamphetamine, about, I think, 24,000 pills in total. We suspect that it's fentanyl based.
More than $3 million worth of drugs. One of the largest traffic stop busts in the county's history.
Unfortunately, it's getting to be the norm.
Arkansas Drug Director Kirk Lane is seeing more of these stories. Massive busts on highways and side roads as traffickers travel the state.
The last couple of years, we've seen larger and larger amounts.
But the story is moving for another reason. The number of lives potentially saved from the actions of one man.
1 out of every 6 of these fentanyl pills on the average contains a lethal dose. So if you just do the math of that 24,000 pills, you're looking at 4,000 lethal doses for possibly 4,000 lives that have been saved just on this one stop.
Now, putting it into context like that really hits home. Now, Lane says that these drug busts are getting more expensive. As of last fiscal year, the total amount of drugs seized by task force members was $79 million. This year, we're already up to $115 million, and we're only halfway through the current fiscal period. Now, as for Flores and Rodella, they are currently being held at the White County Detention Facility and being charged with trafficking a controlled substance. They both are facing $400,000 bonds. Reporting in Searcy, Katrin Asaf, back to you.